Are you hearing? Okay, we'll continue the problems on Laplace transform. Whether we did this, whether we did this problem, which I shared seventh one, t power 5 e power 4t cos hyperbolic 3t. I didn't remember up to which problem I completed. Tell me whether we did seventh. Before that, somebody was asking, we need to write and show. Oh, you are telling to HOD ma'am. Why can't you tell to me only and you can resolve here only? If it is an option to solve here only, why you will take that to HOD ma'am? Who wants to write and show? I was doing that in Zoom. You only asked me to shift to this Google Meet. That's why I shifted. And I told it is difficult to write and show in Google Meet. One more plugin we have to use that is not free version, only 14 days free version is there, that is already expired. So what is the other option? So that's why I told I am using Zoom because I can write and show, I can mark. That are the reasons I told. Then also you asked me to shift to this Google Meet. That's why I shifted. Who is that? Respond. I don't want to blame. I want what was their difficulty and how can that be solved. What is your actual problem? You won't tell here. You'll directly go to HOD. If there is an option to solve here itself, then what is the need to go and it is like complaining. It is not like informing. It is like complaining. If you go there and if you tell something about any faculty, first you discuss with the faculty. If it is not solved, then you can go to your HOD or higher authorities. So what you need, tell me properly. If you want me to write and show, then I have to go back to again Zoom, because for this Google Meet we can't write. We have to use another plugin. That plugin is not free version. That is only 14 days free version. Okay, in Zoom we have the option to write and show. I was doing that. Decide and tell me. You will not discuss here. That is the main problem. Anyhow, you can don't unmute and talk. You can message me also. I won't reveal anybody's name. Don't worry. My question is, what you need? I didn't got what you need exactly, and how that can be tackled. If I know the problem, then I can think of the solution. If you won't tell me the problem only, then how can I think of the solution? That's why I'm asking. Are you comfortable in Google Meet or you want me to shift to Zoom again? At least answer me that. I'm not getting any replies. Only one person is comfortable with Zoom. Sorry, Google Meet. Not Zoom, Google Meet. Google Meet, the thing is we can't write and show. In other subjects, it may be a theory subject, then you can listen. So what was actually the problem in Zoom? Auto admit, I was not enabled that. You can auto admit only. You can auto admit in Zoom also. I need not give all the time join. I need not allow you to the class. You can auto admit there also. Okay, you take the decision and tell me after this class. If you are not telling anything means I will continue in this Google Meet only, but don't expect me to write because it is difficult to write. I told what are the problems. For this, we need to use plugin. That plugin, it's not free. Okay. If you want me to write, then I need to shift to Zoom again. Shift back to Zoom. That option, if you want, I will shift. Otherwise, I will just explain step by step. Which one you want? You tell me that. I will go with that only. All the options I am giving. I am going according to your need only. What you are telling, I am following that only. I know listening maths in online class, it is very difficult, not easy. Then also in Zoom, I tried to write and I try to write these difficult steps. Then I explained, that also. Here I am not getting that option because Google Meet doesn't have that option. That's why if you want, I will go back to Zoom if you want. Otherwise, I will continue with this Google Meet only. So you asked to use Google Meet because your auto admit was not there. I didn't enable that because I didn't knew your names and all. That's why. Decide and tell me within 250. According to that, I will do. And you can discuss here itself. No need to tell madam when the problem is solved here itself. If the problem is not solved, then you can tell. If there is an option, then why you will go and tell there? It is like complaining. Only two of them told Google Meet is fine. Seventh problem, t power 5 e power 4t cos hyperbolic 3t. First thing is take this as f of t cos hyperbolic 3t, change this to exponential. Fifth problem, I think this one we did. Fifth one. Fifth one I did. I told that formula also I have written. By using this one I have written. This one I told, I written the formula. L of Laplace transform of t power n f of t is equal to minus 1 power n minus 1 power n d power n into minus 1 power n into d power n divided by ds power n f bar of t. Correct? F bar of t. Using this formula, you need to use this t power what you have, 1 you have, here t power 1 you have. That's why here also minus 1 power 1, minus 1 power 1 is minus 1 only, then d power 1 d only, ds power 1 is ds only, then f bar of t, I can't write f bar here, so f bar of t is nothing but Laplace transform of cos at. What is Laplace transform of cos at? S by s square plus a square. Therefore, s d by ds of minus 1 into d by ds of s by s square plus a square. So, u by v formula. S square plus a square whole square. S square plus a square, derivative of s is 1. Minus s as it is, derivative of s square plus a square is 2s. Okay, Laplace transform of t cos at is s square minus a square divided by s square plus a square whole square. Understood? Using this formula. Next, t power 3 sin t. First, find out sin t Laplace transform. Sin t Laplace transform is 1 by s square plus 1. Then t power n f of t. Again, this formula. Here, in place of n, you have 3. In place of n, you have 3. Therefore, minus 1 power 3 d power 3 ds power 3 into 1 by s square plus 1. So for this you have to differentiate 3 times. This function you have to differentiate 3 times. This 1 by s square plus 1 you have to differentiate 3 times. Okay. Differentiate 3 times. You know differentiation. It is a lengthy one. You will get this much. Next one. T power 5 e power 4t cos hyperbolic 3t. For this, if you use that formula t power n f of t dt, then you need to differentiate how many times? 5 times. You need to differentiate 5 times. That's why, since t power 5 is there, I will write this cos hyperbolic as exponential. E power 3t plus e power minus 3t by 2. Then if you multiply this outside, e power 40 into e power 3t, e power 70 into t power 5. Again, this is e power t into t power 5. Okay, now you can apply that Laplace transform of e power 80 not this for this. Control Z for this. For this you can apply e power t f of t. Laplace transform of e power t f of t equal to f bar of t, or you can write f of s replace s by s minus a. So this one we did e power a t f of t dt is equal to f bar of s replace s by s minus a. Okay, that one we did. Means Laplace transform of t power 5. Laplace transform of t power 5 is 5 factorial divided by s power 5 plus 1. Correct? Laplace transform of t power n is n factorial divided by s power n plus 1 when n is an positive integer. Okay, use that formula. I will write that Laplace transform of t power n. Laplace transform of t power n equal to n factorial divided by s power n plus 1. That formula. So here 5 factorial divided by s power n plus 1, but s should be replaced by s minus a. S minus a means s minus 7. So here also same thing, but s should be replaced by s minus 1. So here I have written Laplace transform of t power 5 is 5 factorial divided by s power 6. Any doubt in this? This one we did Laplace transform of sine cube 2t. This one we did in fourth problem, I think. Where it is, I will show. Not this one. Here. Sine cube tt. Sine cube 2t. Here it is there. Sine cube 2t is this formula. Sine cube x is 1 by 4, 3 sin x minus sin 3x. Like this we did. Laplace transform of t power minus 2t sin 4t. Okay, for this we need to apply both the principles. Both the principles we need to apply. First thing is find out Laplace transform of sin 4t. Laplace transform of sin 80 is a by s square plus a square. Then take e power minus 2t with this. E power 80 f of t. E power 80 f of t means f bar of s should be replaced by s minus a. What is value of a? So minus 2. So f minus a means s plus 2. So in place of this, In place of this, why it is not selecting? In place of s plus 2 will come. Expand this, s plus 2 whole square plus 16, s square plus 4s plus 20. Then include t now. This t. If you include the t, minus 1 power n d power n divided by ds power 1 f bar of s, like that, minus 1 power 1 d power 1 ds power 1 f bar of s means Laplace transform of sin 40. Okay, Laplace transform of not sin 40, this one, Laplace transform of this, Laplace transform of this we calculated here. Differentiate this, that is the final answer. Understood? Wait, I will share. Now eighth one, find Laplace transform of t sin cube t minus cos cube t. Sin cube t, cos cube t, you need to write the formula. What is sin cube t? 1 by 4, 3 sin t minus sin 3t. Again, cos cube t formula minus 1 by 4, because formula is that only. Sin cube t, for sin cube t, this is the formula. This is the formula. And for cos sin cube t, this is first one. Sin cube t, this first one is the formula. For cos cube t, this is the formula. 1 by 4 will also be included. So if you find Laplace transform of that, 1 by 4, Laplace transform of sin t is 3 by s square plus 1. Sin 3t is 3 by s square plus 1 only. Not 1, this is 9. This is 9. Okay, this is 9. S square 3 by s square plus 9. Minus 1 by 4, 3s. Why? Laplace transform of cos t is s by s square plus 1, 3 as it is. Then Laplace transform of this is s by s square plus 3 square, that is 9. Okay, since we have t here, we have to use this formula. L of t f of t is minus d by ds f bar of s. F bar of s, this is the answer. Okay. We need to differentiate. If you take 1 by 4 common, you can add the numerators in first term of this, you can add the numerator in first term of this. Okay. So 3 minus 3s is minus 2s. Then again you can add the numerators in second term as well. So differentiate first, then you add, because 3 minus 3s you will get. You can't subtract. 3 minus 3s can't be minus 2s. Therefore, differentiate this. Differentiation of this is 3 by 4 outside. What is derivative of 1 by s? Minus 1 by s square into derivative of this s square plus 1 is 2s. Okay, derivative of 1 by s square plus 1 is minus 1 by s square plus 1 whole square into derivative of s square plus 1 is 2s. That's why this is minus 2s by s square plus 1 whole square. Some whiteboard option is there in somewhere. I saw that. I will check. I don't know whether it will work or not. We'll check once. So it is asking to install Jamboard. Are you seeing? Can you see the board? You seeing this board or not? Some board option was there. I just tried this. Are you seeing? If you can't see, not visible. much time. Permissions and share. Janavi, you're seeing. So for each and everyone, I need to give option, share option. I gave permission to Janvi, whether it is visible. So for you, I will see whether it is possible to add sharing restrictions until who can't share, download, copy. Okay. Viewer. It's difficult. For each and everyone, I need to give permission. It's difficult to share whiteboard. Okay, it's difficult to give use whiteboard. Will oh, it's already time. We'll go with this only. Now I was discussing this problem and I was telling using Laplace transform of Tf of t minus d by ds of f bar of s. F bar of s means complete differentiation of this. Differentiation of full this thing. Differentiation of 1 by 4 3 by s square plus 1 minus 3 by s square plus 9 minus 1 by 4 3s by s square plus 1 plus 3 by s square plus 9. Okay, so differentiation of this is 3 by 4 outside as it is. Derivative of this is Minus 1 by s square plus 1, derivative of s square plus 1 is 2s. Minus 3 I have written outside. 1 by s square plus 9 derivative is 1 by minus 1 by s square plus 9 whole square. Okay, you can share screen whiteboard in Google Meet like how you shared this PDF. Okay, we'll try that. This one I opened, right? Stop presenting. Chrome window. Okay, like this. Yes, but we can't see that notes, no? Background. This one we can write, but the thing is, I need that notes next to this. That is the problem. Then only I can write. I can't open both. Correct, right? I can't open both the PDF and this. That is the problem. Either whiteboard should be open or that should be open. Okay, we'll take attendance. That problem will continue in next class. What is date today? 6/10. One. One absent. Two present. Three present. Four. Four absent. That is three. Four absent. Five present. Abhishek Mishra. Six. Adish Sharma present. Seven. Aditya Agarwal. 8. Aditya Verma. 9. Aditya Raj. 10. Akanksha. 11. 12. 12 present. 13. 4. Where were you? Kamal. Now he is joining. 14. 15 present. 16 present. 17. Then 18. 18 present. 19 Ankita. 19 present. 20 present. 21 present. 22 present. 23 present. Few participants. Wait a minute. Just a minute. It is taking that one also. It's 26 present. 42. If you put it like this, I will put absent. When I call, then only you should answer. 42, 51. If you have that much urgency, you can leave. 27. 27 absent. 27 Shriyarsh. Then 28. 28 Rishita present. 29. 20, 30. Just press your, just type your number and send. No need to put present and all. 30 Chandan S. 31. 31 present. 32 Chetana. 32 present. 33. 33 present. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. Gaganashri. 46. Ganesh. 47. 47. 48. 49. 50. 51. 52. Harish Kumar. 53. 54. 55. 56. 57. 58. 59. 60. 61. 62. 63. 64. 64. 65. 66. 67. 68. 69. 70. 71. 72. 73. 74. 75. Mahesh Yadav. 75 Mahesh Yadav. 76 Maithili. 78. 77 Namisha. 78 Manik. 79 Manjesh. 80 Sahil. 81 Medini. 82, Mohammad Saif. 83, Hanem. 84, 84, Monish. 85, 86, Muskan. 87, Agendra. 88, 89, 90, 90 absent. So one absent, then 27 absent, then 30 absent, 40 absent, 47 absent, 55